Welcome everyone. Today we'll talk about differences between bash and sh. One of my friends asked me um, when do we use bash and when to use sh. I told him as long as he has the option, go with bash by default. I need information to justify that statement. So I prepared this document and this video to show the features that is available in bash and not available in sh. First is tab completion. When you press tab, it should auto complete your word or statement. Let's go view that. In this recorded video, we'll first use the change directory command, the cd command, to navigate the files and folders. Users folder was not present, it failed. The users folder is present under C drive. Navigation was successful. Navigate to the parent directory. Now I have to type each and every letter of the program files folder in a normal sh command. But if I use bash, I don't have to type every character, which could potentially have a typo error and fail. I get the feature of auto completion. But type p tab, it takes me to program files. So here I've used just typed v, then a tab button, it auto populated to Vishnu Prasad. With bash, you also get a command history. You can navigate the various commands that you have typed previously by using up arrow key or the history command option. So here is the history command to show all the previously executed commands. That is ls, cd, clear, cd2 program files, cd2 Vishnu Prasad, etc. So with basic navigation, it is better to use bash because you get tab completion and command history. Even for scripting, it is better to use bash because it gives you better uh, conditional logic features, if else, for loops, variables, arrays. It is much easier in bash, though it is technically possible to have a workaround in sh, implement the same. It requires more effort and more complexity. We'll have to use a text execute exe file to check for the existence of a mylefile.txt. Let me open the Unix command test. You will have to use this function to see whether a file or a directory exists in your conditional blocks. But with bash, it is fairly simpler. Let's view that in this recorded video. Within this directory, I've created two files, one a script and then a text file. I'm going to output the contents of the script using cat command. So the file has these conditional if-else logic. It is checking for the existence of myfile.txt. The test Unix command is present in this usr bin folder. Okay, this test Unix command, which checks for the existence of a file or a directory. .// is used to execute a file as a executable or a script. Two files in this directory and execute the script. It will say file does not exist because the file that we're checking for contains my at the beginning. Let me rename this file to contain my at the beginning using mv command. Now the output of the script is file exists. I'll remove mv from the file name using move command. Now the output says file does not exist. So we have gone through some basic script to understand that bash is simpler. You're writing scripts, conditional logic, loops, arrays, variables. It's not much in detail. I'll leave it to you to investigate this further. So beyond the basics, beyond navigation, beyond scripting, what else? You can use bash as a shortcut for your commands. You can create aliases for the long form commands that you want to execute and write that in your console. Instead of writing ls minus l, you could write ll as an alias. This page shows you how to use functions in scripts and aliases within scripts, how to expand them, how to use them in short form. Other benefit that you get with bash is security, enhanced security. We use environment variables to store sensitive information, such as passwords, API keys. We want to keep this secure, then go with bash, because sh does not come with built-in encryption. sh does not come with process isolation. sh gives you limited it has sub-process exposure. There is a limitation. Bash gives you enhanced security, so go with bash. So we talked about navigation, scripting, aliases, and security. Because of all these reasons, you have to prefer bash instead of sh. That's it from me for this video. Thanks everyone. Have a good day.